Andrew Wilkerson here from igus, our industry manager for cleanrooms and semiconductors. I wanted to take some time to talk about our different cleanroom solutions. Starting in 1997, we started our first initial testing and launching our original E6 product in 2003. In 2019, igus built its own cleanroom testing facility in Germany, partnered with the Fraunhofer Institute to enable and expand our cleanroom solutions all the way up to ISO Class 1 ratings. Starting with the tried and proven E6 line, moving into the easy to use eSkin, our eSkin flat featuring customizable pod designs that were based around our CF Clean cable line solution for lighter cable solutions, and into the future with the new C6 product line. igus is going to have a cleanroom solution for any of your application needs. For more information on the individual product lines, click the links below, and thanks for watching.